All right, we're doing a valve cover gasket on this is a '07, '06. I think it goes from '04 to '08 Corolla, I believe. Not sure though, but this is between those years of Corolla. I think this is '05 or '06. Just the valve cover gasket on it. Real easy. Take the cover off, and then you have the 10 millimeters on those coils. Place those, take those off. You take those off, and then you'll be able to just wiggle the coils out. You can fast forward this. I'll make this process a little bit quicker for you guys. Alright, so now you gotta take those the harness that's right there. You just gotta take that off. So there's screws holding the harness down. They're all 10 millimeter 10 millimeter screws. You gotta play with that, moving it around, and it has some clips on there. You just gotta take the clips off, and that way you could swing the harness to the back of the engine, and that way you'll be okay with getting all those screws off for the valve cover itself. Just use regular pliers, take them things off, you'll be all right. So I forgot to record when I took it off because my glasses they went dead. But I put it back on, and I made a little process of it. So I'll show you guys how to there's screws in the back. There's screws. They're all 10 millimeter screws. I'll show you where they at. After you remove the harness, that's the next step, to remove the screws and the hoses that are locked into the valve cover. You see that hose right there. You take that off, and then you put the harness to the back, and then you just got to pry it up. You can pry it up with a screwdriver. So usually it comes up real quick, but sometimes if it's stuck, you just gotta get a screwdriver and pry it from in between the valve cover and the head. Then you get a blade. The way I do it is I get a blade and I take off the old silicone that's on there. Scrape it off, and you should be all right. You scrape that off, take that silicone off. Make sure it doesn't fall inside the chain, where the chain is at, because usually that happens and it's gonna fall into the oil underneath. It's not a big deal, but try to keep it from falling in there. Then get a rag and clean the whole side, that whole side of it. Make sure it's clean. Make sure you feel it with your fingers that has no little groove, because if it does have a groove on it, then you could have a leak. So you have to make sure if it does have a groove, either it's going to be old oil that's stuck on there, and you just get the blade and scrape it off, or a piece of the gasket that's still on there, and you don't want that. You want it to be smooth. I don't know if you could tell, but those spark plug seals are still stuck on there. That's another thing. That's what I'm getting to right now. You pry it up, screwdriver, make sure it doesn't fall inside the spark plug, especially if you change your spark plugs and you have nothing in there and that falls in there, like a piece of it, and that can't, it could make things worse, very complicated. Same thing here, just go ahead and clean it up, and then everything else is gonna be reverse process, pretty much the same thing. I get the gasket and I put it in. So what I do is, don't do what I did. All right, don't do what I did. Make sure you get some silicone, from the store, or if you have some, make sure it's in good condition, because the silicone that I had, you'll be able to see it was dry, and it was really bad. It was I had to run and get some more silicone, so that took time. And so yeah, make sure you have your silicone on hand before you actually start this, because you need the silicone. It's something that you need it for that little groove where I scrape the silicone off. You need the silicone there. you know, because that's where the connection of the timing cover and the head you know comes together. So you need silicone in that little piece and that little groove that's in there. So you know, you guys could fast forward this. It's the same. Just put it in the, you know, the valve cover, the valve gasket, the valve cover gasket. It has little notches. So when you put the notches, when you squeeze the notches real tight, it'll squeeze in there and hold on there. You know. So this is what I'm talking about. Look at that silicone, man. That thing is dead. Look at that. I'm trying to feel for it, to see if there's a little spot where I could get some. But that thing was cooked already, man. Look at that, man. Oh my God. That's embarrassing. You know. Hey, I've been doing this for 20 years, so I've seen plenty of these in my life. You know, that happens because, and then you see everything, you see all the holes poking on it. It's because the little cap breaks, or I lose the cap, and then it's hard on the tip.
Hey, yo!
So then I have to get and poke holes in it in order to get it, you know, to get it out. But look at that. There's nothing in there. There's a lot of stuff in there, but it's hard. So, but then I got some silicone. And I'm still trying. In my mind, I know that there's nothing in there that's gonna work, but I'm still digging in there because I didn't want to go and waste time, you know. But then I got some silicone, you know, some clear silicone. It don't gotta be a special color. It could be any you know, silicone that's actually high temp. That's for vehicles. And after you do that, you'll be set, man. That's it. Put the valve cover on. Make sure you don't hit nothing when you put the valve cover, like no wires, or you don't want the gasket to come out the notches, and then you don't realize it, and then you screw everything down, and then you have a piece of the gasket that's not on, and then you're gonna have a big leak from there. And then everything here is reverse process. Make sure you screw. So I use my ratchet, my electric ratchet, to screw all these back on. But you know, because I've been doing it for a while, you know, so I already know. But you got to do it in a pattern. You know, make sure you do it in a pattern. Like, I'll do the middle first, and then I do one on the outside, and then I crisscross it, you know, with another one from the outside, one from the back, one from the front, like that, in the X pattern type thing. And you don't want to tighten it too much either. You tighten it to where, you know, you can't turn that ratchet, that you don't have to force it, because you don't want to you could break the valve cover, you know. So you'll feel it. Y'all feel it. You know, it's something that's not. You know, it's real easy to actually know when it's, you know, when you're supposed to stop. But that's about it. Put everything back together, man. Y'all good.